hit that first target. And I'd mentioned PSA public storage in my previous video, objective short trade entry, and I had also preceded a video right after that previously with a sell signal off this primary symmetrical wedge pattern here, and I'm gonna start scaling in around 406, and that was good for a 9.19% drop here, and we did briefly bounce above that, right back up above, and closed over the primary trend line here off the January 2021 lows. A beautiful symmetrical triangle wedge pattern here, big divergent high at that time. Divergences sort of whipsawed up above, almost burning them out. It still stayed intact, whipsawed below. I had mentioned how bearish I was on this company and stock quite some time. It was a weird looking chart, and even off the sell signal, if you had taken it, that was good for almost an 8.5% drop there. And I believe a sharp break below, with authority below that 369.37 price support, alongside this primary trend line, will issue a secondary sell signal, maybe even a small back test, and I'd suspect a move down there to that 351.98, which will coincide with that 200-day moving average. And you know, if that's taken out, that's going to be a pretty key level, and we'll probably come down to retest some of my other targets. And it was worth noting how bearish I was about 2 weeks ago or so. And you know, it's one of those show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. Have an opinion on what the market should do, but don't decide what the market will do. Be happy with the percentage of the move. And this is exactly what happened on the 20th of April. And the charts, talk about the charts creating the headlines. Burgers hit a public storage facility, rolling metals, and several storage units were broken into, and thousands of dollars worth of people's personal items were stolen during a recent heist at the public storage facility. And some of the victims here even say they feel locked out by the company. So again, just something that's uncomfortable, worth noting with the investors here. And it's clearly shown here on Wall Street with a big move today, down 6.5%. So we'll see what happens. It's a very impulsive move, and usually a big move like that is always preceded with a second larger drop. So we'll see how it plays out. Anything else develops significantly, I'll keep you updated.